Welcome Himakshi and Kaushiki, and we will have a session where it will benefit a lot of viewers who is actually listening to what you all speak. So Kaushiki, the first question to you is, would you advise students to take up P, C, M and B?
It purely depends on the student's capability. I mean, if they could, they should, because it's a mean to ensure safety in all directions, and you can increase your scope in various fields, not like be limited to only one thing.
Okay, that means you have kept your prospects open for both medical and engineering. Do you say that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I would say that.
Okay.
Because it's better to be safe than be sorry.
Yeah. That means you are still not decided. Am I right?
Yeah, in a way.
Okay. So the students should know that whoever is not sure and who's capable of can go ahead.
Yeah. Or if you know you're capable of handling both the subjects, then surely go for it, or just focus on one thing. It's for the best.
Okay. So you have scored, लगता है कि वो 95 का जो स्टैम्प है उसका अंत ही नहीं है, सब 95 का स्टैम्प है. It's so wonderful. I mean, both of you, it was really a hard work. Yes, Kaushiki? Fine. So, Himakshi, what kind of hard work did you put in for this high score?
I did regular consistency. I feel is very important.
Okay.
Because you should study. मतलब 2-3 महीने पहले पढ़ के नहीं होगा. And I always did consistent study. And NCERT back exercise test.
Okay. That means you should have a test series. You should have a test series that should keep you in check. Yes.
And then you get to know where you're going wrong, what you need to do more. So it does benefit you.
Okay. So, so both of you have the same view that you should be kept under check.
So I will not do anything. I need to be kept under check.
Yeah, same. I agree with that.
Okay, that's nice. Okay. So, Kaushiki, like, how did you manage, say organic chemistry? Let me start with organic chemistry. How did you manage with organic chemistry?
First you taught us the basics, and then I kept on practicing. Gradually, I memorized all the formulas, and then I had a chart that I prepared all the the chemical equations, and I pasted it above my bedpost. So every morning I would wake up and take a glance at them, and then I would memorize all the formulas.
Wow, wonderful. And Himakshi, what about you?
I did the same. I made a lot of notes, like sare reactions, and the named reactions were ratta. Like till the end, at the end, it was very clear, the named reaction, everything. I had also made charts and everything, notes. Like I used to write a lot. Reactions of likh ke I used to do.
Okay. And like you did it on a daily basis. That is what you said. How long did the transfer take? First, you've written. It was in your notebook. How long did this transfer take to, get it from the notebook to your head? How long did it take? सब लोग तो लिखते हैं, लेकिन transfer is the main thing, ना? जो जितना जल्दी and very nicely transfer कर सके, that is the best. Transfer and then write. It's like to and fro. To and fro. Okay. So how long did it take, this to and fro business?
Yeah, I kept on writing and writing. Gradually, the similar questions kept on coming back and back, and then I memorized.
Okay. It was kind of, that you became, so familiar that you had difficulty. Okay. So practice is the main thing, isn't it? Okay. And okay, that goes about organic chemistry. So, and one thing more, you did remember your hydrocarbons also, na? GOC and hydrocarbons. 11th ka hydrocarbons, because it is connected, na? Wurtz reaction comes from 11th, and then it gets tagged on onto 12. So if you don't remember Wurtz reaction 11, you are in a little bit of difficult situation. Yes. Okay. So yes, 11th was strong for both of you.
It was okay. It was not very strong. It was okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty weak compared to 12th grade.
Okay. But at least you all remembered partially, should I say?
Yeah.
That is essential. Partial remembrance is essential. Okay. Then how did Kaushiki handle the physical chemistry part?
Since physical chemistry involves a lot of numericals, I mainly focus on the numerical parts and getting the formulas and the units right, because that's very important. That's a very important part of physical chemistry. So I would practice all the problems, and the ones that I did not remember, or I always got them wrong, I would write down in a notebook and then come back to revise it again and again.
Okay. So here also you made a formula chart or something and kept it.
No,
No.
not particularly, because there aren't as many formulas as compared to organic, so I memorized it gradually.
Okay. That means you would advise writing organic chemistry and keeping it near your eyes, and rest of the formula, it just happens. I mean, it just happens.
Yeah.
Himakshi, for you also the same?
The formulas are not so much, so it is okay. Yeah. And the back questions, NCERT ke back questions for numericals.
Okay. So how regularly did you practice, Himakshi, the back questions? Once, twice?
Questions. I did twice.
Twice. Okay.
Twice.
Kaushiki, what about you? How many times did you do those back questions of NCERT?
Yeah, same as her. I also did twice, and then I would memorize.
Okay. That means if you did it twice, you could memorize it. So is it good memory power, or
it's just the familiarity. Those who have good memory power, they can memorize. But if you have weak memory, but once you become familiar with the questions, it comes easy.
So the 5 marks went away for both of you in MCQs, you feel?
MCQs and maybe thoda gaya rahega, I feel, written also.
Acha. Same with you, Kaushiki?
Yes, ma'am, same with me.
So what advice will you give the juniors? ज़्यादा जोर MCQs में लगाना है या broad questions में लगाना है?
दोनों में बराबर होना चाहिए, बैलेंस होना चाहिए, एक खाली concentrate.
That is nice of you. That is very nice of you. Okay. So Kaushiki, now have you decided whether you want to become an engineer or a doctor? Kind of, or it's
it's like after counseling's over, with which one the better option, I would go with the better option, and I'm also considering pharmacy as well.
Oh, okay. So you have all the all the streams open for you. You have a plate full in front of you. That's good. That's good. So if you want a full plate, go with PCMB and the pressure. Yes. Yeah, it is a pressure also, not only you have a full plate. You don't have a full plate of options only. You have a full plate of pressure. You have full pressure also. With the 4 subjects coping up. Yeah, along with English. Yeah, but good, Kaushiki, that you have made your decision, and may all good luck be with you. And Himakshi, you're aspiring to be an engineer and staying in Maharashtra?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So wish you the very best of luck also, and may you both do very well in life. Thank you for being with me, sharing your precious moments.